Hello friend, welcome to back Prasad Tech channel. Today last week what are things I completed. So there is installation completed and how to create a database is completed, how to create a collection is completed, how to see list of databases, that is so DBS, that is completed, and how to create a database collections like a db.create collection, so that is completed. Next, how to insert single record in the database, that is completed. How to insert many records, that is also completed. Okay, so now we'll start with how to insert from the starting itself. How to insert multiple database, multiple records, multiple documents inside the MongoDB, inside the collections. So let's going to start new chapter. So data type of this MongoDB also I explained. So these are the things like a string data types, integer data type, decimal data types, boolean data types, date data types, and like a documents data types and array data types. So those are things are completed. Today we'll see. So let's start our next topic of MongoDB. Please like, share if you like this video. Okay friend, so we are here right now. What are things is created? So we'll go our MongoDB compass. In that we can see what are the records are there. We can refresh it. So, and if you want to see in the terminal, so already it is running. So this is the employee org. So next is, so this one, okay, MongoDB compass is open now. So next what we'll do, we'll check first what are the collections are there in the database. So where you can check, tell me. So let's go with terminal. So in this terminal you can check. I'll make it small size so that you can see. So we can see yes. Now we can make everything in front so that you can see all. So this is one. So I'll keep here. We can extend. So it is done. Then next, this is terminal. I'll kept here so you can see. Next is the MongoDB compass. I kept here in the down. So all these things are there available in our palette. So next we can see, first we'll check what, so DBS. Yeah, so DBS, what other databases are there? Employee, org, admin, config, local. So next we'll see okay, so next is that how to see inside the table, inside the collection. Table is nothing but a data collections, that collections having the documents. So now I can see collection is nothing but a one table. Okay, so now what is this? What object we created in employee org? Employee is a collection, so I want to see what is there in the employee collection. Employee dot find. See, so we seen, so this many records are there. This many records, nothing but a documents, nothing but a documents are there. So ID name department, so name, those things are like a, you can see Raj, Prasad, Krishna, Rajesh, Murugesh, Kashi, Krishna. Okay, in the Krishna there is like a name is a string data type, department integer, salary is like a double data type, this one decimal, so is imported boolean, is promoted boolean, promoted boolean, then joining date, and then manager null values, project array, address, document data types. Okay, now next thing is that we will going to sort our collection. So this is the collection. What is our collection? Employee is our collection. We need to sort. How we will do it? So first db dot employee, then dot find, then find means you will see all documents inside the collection. Then I want to sort the documents inside the collection, so then dot sort, the bracket close, sort nothing but it's a sorting the documents in order in collection. Inside this, which elements, based on which element it is going to be short. So here I am giving name colon 1 nothing but a, whether you are sorting in ascending order, -1 is used for descending order. So now what is name is there, we will see first. Name is Raj, is there name Prasad, is there name Krishna, is there Rajesh, Murugesh, Kashi, Krishna. So let's see, we can run, let's see. Done. So whether it's in proper order or not. K right. So after K for Kashi, Krishna, then K, M Murugesh, Prasad, Rajesh. Okay, this is done based on sorting with the name. So if you want to do in a reverse order, so I'll make it -1. So then I'll check that Rajesh should come first, then Raj should come, then Prasad, Murugesh, then like that. Okay, so let's see what it is coming first. And so Rajesh, Raji, Prasad, Murugesh, Krishna. So this is the based on the name it's sorted. So now next we'll sort based on the number, whether it's possible or not. So we'll see. I'll give one department number, DPT number, colon -1. So next, so department number, we'll see what is there in the department number first. 50, 40, 40, 30, 30, 20, right? So we know now how to sort the order. suppose, okay, so next is that there is a n number of records, n number of documents are there inside the collection. So I want to pick only one document. So what you have to do? DB dot employee dot find, then dot limit one records, one document. So type error, where is, okay, so because limit, 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 again this type error. Okay, so find is a method. So this is, let's see, this is okay. So why it is taking that RAS is a fast? So RAS is the fast records. How will come to know fast record? This one is a sorted. So how will see? Okay, so we can see here employee. So what is there? The fast record RAS is there. So it is taken the RAS as fast record. So in this way, if you want to take from like a highest salary records, so how will do it? So doc db dot employee dot find, it will take, then dot sort what I need, salary, highest salary. So salary I want highest salary, then dot limit in the bracket first. So what is the highest salary? Let's see in compass. So here 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, 60,000 highest, then 60,000. Let's see what it is coming in the result. Sorry, what some mistakes are there. Okay? Unexpected token. Why? What is the issue? What is the issue? What is the issue? What is the issue? Okay, so issue is this next 60,000, right? Yes. So now next we'll go for now next we'll go for, so name I have to find for Rajesh. So we got like a ascending order, descending order. Now we'll search like a I want the documents whose name is Kasi. Okay, now db employee is the collection dot find in the bracket. What you have to search? I have to search name. What is the name? Name should be Kasi. No, I will put some other name. Krishna. Whose name is Krishna. Krishna. See, we have the two documents, the name of Krishna. Okay, so now that is done. Now we want to search with multiple condition. So how we have to do? So let's db dot employee dot find in the bracket. You have to put curly braces, open and close. In this, what I have to pass? I want to pass. So whose name is Murugesh and department number is 40. Let's see. So name Murugesh. So we checked here, right? Murugesh, and you have to put comma for another filter. So what you have to do in this filter, we have to put department number colon. What is there in the department number? 40. So how many records should come? Only one record. Let's see. Hey, there is no name with Murugesh. Spelling is correct. Yes. Department number. Okay, so mistake is there. It's not a string, it's an integer. So that you have to give carefully. See, these are the things. So here, while searching, be careful with that. Okay. Next we'll go for. So I have to search with Boolean. We'll search with Boolean. So what we'll do? So okay, so we'll search. So I will department number you can remove here, and I want to search with the what you can search is promoted. Is promoted. True or false? True. So we'll run it. One records are there. So okay. Now we have seen there is while doing like a db dot employee and then dot find, I'm getting like a all documents with all columns. I want only the name. So what you have to do? db dot employee dot find bracket close. In this particular place you have to put two curly braces. It is what I have to give here. So I want to get only the name, not other things, no other things. So you can put name. So it will show only the name. Let's see. Reference error is failed. What is the mistakes on this? What is the mistakes? Let's see whether this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. So then you can put So what is the mistake on this? What is the mistakes? Okay, mistake is this one. We have to display the name, then we have to give here true. So this is okay, spelling mistake, true. So still okay, so here you have to give comma. So next, yes. Okay, so another thing is that we are getting that id with this error. So what you have to do in this particular place, we can make id as a false. So what I will do here, I will make, what is the column name, id column false, comma. So now id, what will come in? So that id is not showing. Okay. Now we want some more column. db dot employee dot find bracket start and close in this bracket. So first two empty curly braces. In this I want like so what are the columns are there, name and department number. So id I have to make as false, id colon false, name colon true, department colon true. So name, department number I want, and you want salary. Okay, salary colon true. So these three we will get it. Okay, these three column I got it. Now from this list I want whose department number is 20. Okay. So the first curly braces you can see, you can put what is to do. I want normally what is to do. So here we have to put department number equal to 20. So there will be filter, there will be the projection. So in this projection what will be display? Oh, what is mistake on this? Mistake is equal, so we should not put in equal. So hi guys, you understood right? So how that some mistake if it will come also we can say it. So now so it is showing the department whose department is 20, and in that name, department number and salary has displayed. So next is what we are going to do now. Now this conditions is done. Now what you have to do now? Okay, so next is we'll update one record. So how will update? Similarly, how find has been done. So db dot employee dot update one bracket start bracket close. So in this place filter condition you have to give is one filter and another filter like a find projections what is to display, and here what has to be update. So here what I am going to update, whose name is Raj, what I am going to update, $set column, what I have to update. Inside that you have to update salary equal to last salary is 20,000 is there. I will make 80,000. So now let's see what is updating. So acknowledged true, inserted id null, matched count 1, modified count 1, offsetted count 0. So we can see db dot employee dot find bracket close, in filter will put one filter, then inside that name colon, what you have to see, whose name is Raj. Now is updated 80,000. So this is updated one record. So next we have to update any ID if you want to update, so that particular ID will be update. So next I will go for update based on ID. So db dot employee dot update one, the bracket close. In this what you have to do, two curly braces. First curly braces it will store, which is I'm going to update. So id colon, what we can put, this is the value I updated. So you can put directly here object id. Okay, next $set colon and the curly braces, so This is wrong. It is set colon that for this object for that particular ID what I am going to update that department number as a 90, DPT number colon 90. Let's see whether what is happening. So mistake is there. What is the mistake? Okay, so object ID bracket has been not closed. Yeah. Now this is object. We'll search for that particular object now. db dot employee dot find. So we'll see search this particular object whether it's there or not. We'll see here, copy, then I am just pasting here and just running. Show mistake. Okay, so 90 is updated, right? Yeah. So next what we are going to do, we'll update many. So we'll update multiple records. So here what we can see, let's see. First we'll check db dot employee dot find, then repeat number 20. How many records are there? Only 22 records are there, right? 20 3 records. Okay, Raj is updated 90. Now what I will do, I will update Raj as 20. So we'll check the 3 records are there. Now I'm going to update db dot employee dot update many, because in 20 there is having multiple records. So what I have to do, 2 curly braces, one is for filter, one is for projection, like where has to be apply. So what has to be update? So first one I have to put filter. So here dpt number colon 20. So now I am going to update. So dollar set colon, what other things are updating? Full, and that is what will update. salary as $30,000. So now we'll switch 3 records, matched count 3, modified count 3, acknowledged true, offsetted account 0. So now I'll see based on that what for the 20. So you can see here 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. All 3 records are updated, means it is updated 3 records. It is updated many. So now next is, so now it's a updated multiple records. How to do it? Next we'll see for delete records. So similarly you can do db employee dot delete one filter you have to give here. So how you have used for find, first filter you have to give. So here what I can give, there is a 3 object IDs there. One is 282, 284, 366, ends with is 282, ends with 284, 366. Okay, so I will delete underscore ID column. I will delete this subject. See, acknowledge true, delete count 1. So 1 record is deleted. So you can see db dot employee dot find close. You are able to see there was 2 Krishna. Now it is only 1 Krishna documents. Okay, is related to delete 1 record. Similarly, if you want to delete multiple records, what you have to do? Okay, so in this 22 records are there. Raj is there, and what Raj is there, and this Krishna also is there. So what I'll do, I'll delete so okay, delete let's see, deleteMany will work or not. So similarly we'll pass deleteMany DPT number 20. deleted 2 records, so deleteMany also worked. lcdb dot employee dot find. Only now 4 records are there. Now next is we'll see comparator. How to compare, like so now what we'll do, insert those records in which is already deleted. I'll take from here, I'll insert. So you can here insert, we can write delete. So this you can take and insert it. Copy. So where is terminal? I will paste. Enter. Missing semicolon. Where it is missing semicolon? Copy. So okay, we'll enter. Bracket was not there. This is the mistake. Okay, this is the one was there, and another 20 was there. This one was. So this also we can insert. Okay, db employee dot insert one, okay, start bracket close. So in that we are inserting bracket start bracket close, then what you have to name colon Raj, comma dpt number column 60, comma salary column 30,000. So is inserted. So you can see db dot employee dot find. So you can see all records. Now next is we have to use comparator. Comparator is like a comparator operators, like a not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to. These are the comparator operator. So this is, we'll see now. share. Okay, so now one more, I think one more deletions has been not done. So we want to delete based on the field. Suppose in this manager, here one more column is there, but it's not deleted. Means this is the column available for this particular document, but rest of the documents, this columns is not there. So for that, what you have to do, how to delete this db employee dot delete, just deleting one, delete one. What's the same principle? The bracket, you have to put curly braces. In this we have to give what? I just create a manager colon, if it is exist, okay, dollar exist colon true, then that has to be deleted. So exist syntax spelling correct, right? Okay, we'll see later this one. I should not show the error. Let's see. Okay, let's see that one. Now I can compare. So we are going for comparator operator. Okay, so now we'll see db dot employee dot find bracket close. In this I want employees whose department number greater than 20. So find similarly deputy number equally have been given it. So now deputy number, then curly braces, then greater than colon 20. See, you can see here 40, 30, 40, 50, 60. So those records are greater than 20. This is a filter condition, one more we have used. Now I want to see, so whose record less greater than or equal to, greater than equal to 30. So how many records will be displaying? Same records will be displayed. So next, similarly we'll use less than. Okay, better for the remembering I'll write from starting itself. Okay, db dot employee dot find bracket open and close. In this bracket dpt number colon another bracket, then dollar less than colon 30. So it is showing a record less than 30. Only one record is there. Okay, so next less than equal to 30. So Rajesh Krishna. So these two records are displaying. So we come here comparator operator. So again you want to like a multiple filter. What filter we can check? Multiple filter. Okay, db dot employee dot find bracket close. In this bracket close, double curly braces and curly braces. In curly braces we'll write dpt number column curly brace start close column less than dollar less than equal to column 40 okay. So I want less than greater than 30 greater than equal to 30 comma dollar less than equal to 40. So department number which is comes under greater than equal to 30 less than equal to, or you can say less than 50. So those record has to be displayed. So here so 30 is coming, so this is greater than equal to every time, so 30 less than 50, 40 is less than 50, 40 is less than 50. So like a multiple filters we can apply. Then and if you want to filter like a in operator, so how can you do it? db student db employee dot find okay, then I want the find semicolon. Okay, inside this we have to put what? Curly brace. Then what I am going to filter? So dpt number, what I have to put filter? So we have to keep multiple in, so whose department number contain 30 and 40, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so rest of things will not display. So department number colon then dollar in colon square bracket 20, 30, 40. So 20, 30, 40. So 40 is showing, 30 showing, 20 also showing. Okay. So like this way. So you want to display not in 20, 30, 40. So db dot employee dot find, what I do, bracket close. Blindly you can close the bracket. So what I have to do, inside that you can create one curly braces, open and close. So in that, what you have to do, we want the department numbers. You can write department number here. Then we want like a not in. So you can give here you can put the dollar not in. Okay. So here you can put column, then and the square bracket you can put what you given 20, 30, 40. You want to see any records not in 20, 30 and 40. There is a two documents are there, Kashi and Ras, so whose department number is 50 and 60. So now we completed comparison operator. So now we'll move to logical operator. Logical operator returns a data based on expression that evaluate true or false, like a dollar, like and operator. If both is true, then it returns true. Not is true of not means it will be false. False of not will be true. So nor or means both will be false, then it will be return true. Nor or any either condition of true, then it returns true. So now we create example of db dot employee dot find, blindly close it, then you can put curly braces, then we can put here dollar, first putting the filter, right? So in this curly braces I am putting dollar and column. What I have to put? We have to put in the array. In the array, two parameters we need to pass. So how we will express? So two curly braces we have given. So first curly braces and second curly braces, if it is means both the bracket it will be true, then it will return true. So what I'll say here, name colon Raj. Next what I'll put, department number equal to 60. So here Raj and department number is true, so this should be returning. I'll check if it is not. So in this case I'll just make it 80. So in this Raj it is don't have department number like 80, so it no records will be written. Okay, so this is the one. And next, okay, we'll check another filter or db dot employee dot fine, then blindly close it, and inside that blindly give one curly braces. We want to check $R, and after that column what, 2 square bracket. Either of the condition, if it returns true, then it will return true. So what I'll give, okay, name colon R, right, in the 2 curly braces. What I did now, in that square bracket you have to put 2 curly braces, comma 2 curly braces, otherwise you will get confused. So first equal to name equal to Kashi, and another dollar naming as department number colon another 2 brackets dollar greater than colon $60. So either Kashi or greater than equal to, I am putting equal to 60. So it will return same 3 records. Let's see. So it is returning Kashi, whose name is matching, age 60. So rest 2 records are 60, so it is returning 60. This is the R. Now we will go for NOR. So remaining same I will keep, and both should be false. Instead of NOR, either any one of the elements returns true, then it is returning, right? So if this it will display, either it won't be a Kashi or either it won't be a, both should not be available in this particular place, it will display. So what are the things? See, Kashi Prasad is not matching, 60 is greater than 60, no. So this Rajesh name Kashi not matching, so greater than equal to 60, no. So Murgesh not Kashi, and greater than equal 60, no. Krishna Kashi, no. Department greater than 60, no. So here it is like this is the returning. So this is a NOR, not. So next is the NOT. So we'll write DB employee, then find bracket close. In this we can close blindly, then so I can put what I'll put you can find. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll insert insert a I'll update some records. What I'll do, we'll do one thing. So whether update one bracket close, two curly braces, comma. So here we can filter. For the filter we can use name column mortgage. So we are trying to add one more column for the mortgage. Okay, then this is dollar set column dollar set column manager column delete this now. So it's updated. You can check db dot employee then dot find bracket close semicolon in curly brace name column mortgage. So you can see its name, department number, salary, is manager. So now I want to display the records which is okay, so not equal to manager okay employee dot what you have to do find bracket close. The blind things you can do it here is curly braces. What you have to do, so here is colon not manager not colon let's see, not Krishna. So whether what is returning? It's a regular expression. See where is this? Okay, so we'll check DB employee dot find bracket, then you can do it is colon I can start dollar not colon not greater than dollar greater than equal to colon $60. So what is showing? Not greater than 60. Show 40 not greater than 60, 30 not greater than 60. So what I will do, I will update one department number. So db dot employee dot update one bracket close. You have to give one filter, one projection. So you will put one filter, then another filter. What you have to do? Update name, so colon double quote Raj. What you have to update? Dollar set colon dollar set colon update. What you have to update? DPT number equal to null. So let's see. So what it is updating? Enter. So one is record is updated. So now I'll try to search for whose department number 60. So we'll see department null also it is coming like a Raj. So this is the overall things of overall think of like a logical operator, comparison operator. Now we'll move to indexes. In indexes, what is indexes? Indexes supports the efficient execution of queries in MongoDB. Without indexes, MongoDB perform a collection scan, that is, scan every documents in a collection to select the documents that match the query statements. If an appropriate index exists for a query, MongoDB can use the index to limit the number of documents it must inspect. Okay, so that is the reason we are using the indexes. So next we'll see some example with the indexes. Suppose we are searching like employee dot find bracket start and close, then curly brace name. I'll search for Prasad. I think Prasad is there. Search Prasad and bracket close. Then I want to see some execute plan. So explain execution status. You can select execution status. So there is a small mistakes. EX so whether it's a small is not valid, so we can search in Google what is how to define execution status in MongoDB. Analyze query performance. So education status STATS. Status execution starts. So you can minimize here. So how to, okay, so again I'll go, some mistakes will be there, I'll check. I think so I'll try this. Yeah, so it is executing. See, it is checking the Prasad. So here you can see one explain versions 1, then this is checked, then total document examined 6, examined time is 14, so total key examined 0. So then again like those things, column scan, then it check equal pressure advanced one need time, so this is the time, so port number is version this. So these are the query. It is a like a for the checking the all education time, need time 6, advanced 1, works 8. So let's see, after using the indexes, so we'll see what is the filter conditions if we'll put. So first we'll see how to get the indexes. db dot employee dot get index. Some mistakes, some problem. Indexes. Yeah. So db.employee get indexes. So you can get it one indexes as there. So now next we'll create an index. Okay, so now we'll go db dot collection dot create index. I'm just creating index on name 1. So in this you can use, so created indexes name underscore 1. So now you'll see how many indexes are there. db dot employee dot get indexes. Very close. You can see there is 2 indexes. So now next we'll drop. So now we will search the employees. Say create index and as explanations. Name Prasad. So you can see. So here you can see how many key index key examined 1. So 6 1. Drop tested 0. So need time 0. If you compare with previous one, here you can see documents examined is 6. Here is how many document examined. So here document examined 1. So you can see, right? So how you can reduce the time congestions. It is not filtering all, so it will take the specific field based on the name. Okay, now I am going to do drop indexes. db dot employee employee dot drop index. So we created one name on, right? In this I think this will be, yeah, name one is not defined. You can see what are the indexes is there, then you can get it. db dot employee dot get indexes, name one is there, right? So db dot employee, then drop index in the bracket name underscore one index is dropped. Now we'll see how many indexes are there. So only one indexes is there. So now there is so many ways, so many types of indexes are there. That is like a single column index, compound index, bitmap, like a bitmap index, like a embedded index. There is so many indexes as that due to less. So for more informations we'll go for the next video, and if you want more information on the indexes, please let me know in the comment box, so I'll explain in the next video. Now I will go for collection. Collection, already I shared about that. Collection is a group of document and a database is a group of collection. Okay, so now we'll see what are the collections are there. So only one collection is there, that is employee. So now I want to create a collections. Okay, create a collection, db dot create collection, what collection I'm going to create? I'm to create department, then what is the size of collection? True. Then size I want to make 10 megabyte. So I'm going to make, so making the size into 1024 bracket close. So we'll create a collection, that is department, that is kept true. It is like we are assigning the maximum number of document under the size of like a 10 MB size. Created. Now you can see the collection. So collection, department and employee. So now department and employee, we created two collection. So suppose if you want to create a collection, so maximum document we can insert like a 200. So how I will create db dot create collection bracket start and close. So what is the collection I am going to create? So you can create salary I created, then comma, then you can put capped column to here assigning some memories to this. So size of the memory I have given 1000 into 1024. Then maximum number of limit the documents you can insert equal to 200 records you can insert. Okay, so this is the collection. So okay, and suppose if you want to disable the default ID, so that also you can do it here. So I don't want to create by default ID auto index, so that you can do it auto index colon false, so you can create. Okay, now we can see the collection. So collection three collections are there. Okay, so now we want to do normal collection also. We can make it like a, if you want to define create collection, bracket close. Here I'm just writing here manager table. So one create. So how many 4 collection has been created? Show CO collection. So 4 collection has been created. Now we'll drop collections. db dot which collection we are going to delete? Manager dot drop. That's it. So true. Now you can see the show collections. Okay, so in this also we can see the video of in here. You can refresh, you can see here 3 collection has been created. Okay, so these are the things has been done, and I completed a MongoDB fast crash courses that you can fast track courses, and if you want to see any other video, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.